Impulse and step response. Can we also derive it? Well, probably you also had the theory behind this, and the unit impulse response, so the inverse Laplace transfer of this system function, or the transfer function, could be found from the residues of this this expression. I'm not going into the math, but the residues, they also have their definition. But I only want to look at one thing. That is that every residue here, every term will have e to the power of st, which will be the pole frequency in it. So let's say here, oh, we cannot see it. I didn't write it down. There should be the pole frequency here. Sorry, as pt. So it means that the real part of the pole must be negative in order to have a stable system, because e to the power of minus pt with a real part, let's say minus 10 or whatever, will converge to 0. But otherwise, if it is positive, it will explode. So a stable system must have the poles in the left half plane. If there are poles in the right half plane, the system is unstable. And of course, the unit step response you can find from integrating the unit impulse response.